What's going on, everybody? Thanks for stopping in at the channel today. Now, if you guys are tuning into the channel for your very first time, please consider smashing that red subscribe button, ring that notification bell, because we just picked up a new project for this channel and it's going to be exciting. So with that being said, let's get into today's video, you guys. So for those of you that watched the last video, we went and picked up this project truck right here, a 1999 GMC Sonoma. And for any of you that are new to the channel for the first time, I'll just go ahead and go over what's done to it so far. As you can see, there's no engine. We're missing our hood. I think our plan is to do a V8 swap on this truck. We're going to be doing some drop spindles on the front end. And the back here on the back end, so far, I mean, obviously we got some flat tires. Our tires are ruined on this truck. We need to get some new ones. But I'll go underneath here. If you can make it out, it's got airbags right up there, and we've also got some drop blocks. There's the airlines hanging down for now, just so I could access them a lot easier than the way the previous owner had them. So we got steel roll pan, the license plate in the tailgate. You see, I'm gonna have to redo that, figure out something a lot better for it. Then going into the truck, you can see we got a custom steering wheel. Not sure I like that. I think I'm probably going to change it out. And then up here on the dash, of course, we need to do something about that because it's looking pretty rough. It's got a whole bunch of glue or something all over it. Now today, we're going to be focusing mostly on taking out this stereo box because it's rotten. Because in the back of the bed back there, the metal part of the box is split and water's been getting in there. So it stinks really bad in here, and you can see it's pretty rotten, it's nasty. We're going to get it out of the truck. Also, we're going to try to pull most of the interior out today. So you can see right there, that's where the box is split on the outside here. But yeah, we're going to pull out most of the interior on the truck today. And depending on how long that takes, we'll probably go ahead and start wet sanding the body. See if we can't get all this gray primer back off. Because it's spray paint primer, that's just not going to work with the automotive paint we're going to be using. So since the truck's angled back like this and we need to pull that sub box out that way, I'm going to go ahead and air up the airbags so the truck's sitting more level. It'll be easier to pull that box out. Well guys, that didn't bring it up as high as I wanted it to, so I got my big air compressor in there filling up. That way I can go ahead and air the tires up on the truck. Then hopefully it'll bring it up a lot more level, make it easier pulling that sub box out. So we're having a little bit of an issue here, guys. The airbags are leaking pretty fast. My plan is to take the bed off of the truck eventually after we get the interior all stripped out of it, because it is going to get a whole new paint job, like I said in the previous video. So once we take the bed off, I'll be able to inspect the airbags a little bit further, figure out the problem there. But for now, we're going to go ahead and get started on this interior because it's going to be a lot of work. Alright guys, so as you just seen, this whole console pulled right up, but the only thing holding it in is this one screw right down there. And I tell you what guys, I don't know who put this truck together like it is right now. Maybe they just threw it back together to put it up for sale or whatever, I don't know. But they definitely didn't do a very good job. We got a lot to fix, boys. So I'm gonna get this center console pulled out, clean up this mess of spare wires and parts back here, and then we'll start ripping out that box. So now that we've got our seats moved out of here and all of our trash and miscellaneous parts picked up, we can go ahead and start removing all this trim because it's going to be in the way of getting that box out. But that's okay because it all needs to go anyways with our new paint job coming. So let's just keep getting after it. Alright guys, so now that we've got it all the way tore down to this, I'm leaving the carpet in until we get the box out, and the carpet's coming out, and it's looking like we're probably gonna just buy a whole new piece of carpet, throw that one in the trash. So I'm telling you guys, if we had smell-o-vision, you'd understand, because this stinks bad. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start tearing this nasty box out. Hopefully we don't run into anything worse.
There's nothing.
By the way guys, if you can't hear me very well throughout this portion of the video, it's because I'm wearing a respirator. That's how bad this stuff stinks.
Well, I don't know how they actually got this thing in here. That's the only screw I can see. I just have to grab me a hammer and pry bar and just start going down on it. Alright, here we go. I wonder if that's a screw hole.
Yeah, I don't know guys, whoever built this didn't think about when and if they were going to need to take it back out of the truck. This is going to be a while.
We just keep on getting at it.
Whew. This is going to be a long process guys. I'm just going to throw you back on another time lapse and we'll get after it. Gnarly mess. All right guys, so it's come to that time of the evening where I gotta close up shop, get inside, do the whole dinner thing, you know, take a shower because I'm sweating like crazy. It's amazing, we actually had a really nice day today. The whole week has been nothing but cloudy, rainy weather, so I'm very fortunate to have this kind of weather today, but unfortunately it's time to wrap it up. So this is not the end of the video, but if you are new here, be sure to smash that subscribe button. We're gonna pick right back up as soon as I get off work tomorrow afternoon. But for you guys, it's just gonna be with the snap of a finger. So, with that being said guys, I'll catch you guys tomorrow afternoon. Alrighty guys, so it is the next day here. We got some beautiful sunshiny weather. It is a little bit windy today, but that's okay. It's not gonna stop us from continuing tearing out this sub box. Now last night, after I turned the camera off, I just kind of sat out here, looked at the truck a little bit, you know how we do, just kind of go over in our head, imagine our build process here and everything, and kind of discovered something with this box on the outside of the truck in the bed. So like I was showing you guys, it's split pretty good right there, and from what we found on the inside of the truck, the way they had it sealed up with that caulking and some expanding foam, I'm thinking that it's the same thing here. It's got the same black rubber caulking, and I don't know if you guys can see there or not, but that's really soft right there. It's definitely not metal. So I think they did the same thing here. So I'm feeling like I'm just gonna go ahead and try to rip this metal completely out. You see there's a couple screws in it down through here that I'm gonna have to try to get out. But that's the plan. I'm gonna clean this stuff out of the bed, and then we're gonna get that box ripped out the rest of the way. Well, that's awfully interesting. Looks like the box needed some spacing, which is probably why these metal rods are here, and also They used a ton of expanding foam on this dang thing, like a ton of it, and they never even cut the plastic bed cover off except for up there in the front. But that's okay, we're probably gonna do away with it anyway. So looks like we still got one heck of a mess on our hands, boys. Let's go ahead and keep on rolling. Alright guys, so now that we've made it this far, I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning this trash up out of the bed of the truck. And I do have to haul it off to the dump, but I'm not gonna do that till the weekend. And I don't want all this in the bed of the SS for the next couple days. So for now, I'm just gonna throw it all in my little lawnmower trailer over there. That way it's out of the way and we can continue cleaning up this truck, getting it ready for a new paint job. Just one by one. Ugh, man, this stuff is pretty nasty. I will say though, whoever built the box built a really good box. They just didn't do a very good job sealing it up to keep water out of the truck, which is pretty unfortunate because it is a very well built box. But it's all right. We'll get another one. I'm not very good at building boxes for systems, so I'll probably end up just trying to look for a system that already is built and will fit that space pretty well. And even if it doesn't fit the space completely, I'm sure we can figure something out to make it look nice on the inside. The bed, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I may just get some thicker sheet metal than what they used here and re-sheet metal it in and paint the whole bed the same color as the truck as well, because we are going for like show truck quality here, guys. I don't know if you've caught on to that yet, but that's what we're going for. So let's just go ahead and keep getting all this trash cleaned up out of here. This stuff really stinks bad, guys. You do not want to have to mess with something like this. Gotta love it when other people do a crappy job on a build. Oh yeah. Spider. Gotta kill the spider. There's another one. Oh my gosh. Dang, guys. Look how nice that bed is. This is perfect candidate for sanding down and painting the same color as the truck and leaving it like that. That is awesome. All right, let's go ahead and get that cab the rest of the way cleaned out. Well, first I'm gonna blow all the dirt out of this thing. Finish getting this foam ripped out of here too. I don't like this, guys. Got some spiders up underneath here and stuff. Take it from me, y'all. Don't buy a truck that's in this kind of shape. This is not very fun, especially when you hate spiders. Man, I don't like this one bit, y'all. A lot of you probably think I'm being a little sissy about it. I don't care. Forget this. Dang. Look at that nasty mess. We finally got the carpet out. We finally got the box out of the bed. I just need to get it all cleaned up. Start sanding it down for some paint. For some primer and paint, actually, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead, get my mess cleaned up for the night, guys. Get the truck cleaned up in the bed and then the inside of the cab. That way we'll be ready for wet sanding and primer, because that's gonna be happening here real soon. So make sure you ring that notification bell, because you don't want to miss out on this build. With that being said, guys, if you enjoyed today's content, smash that like button, leave your comments down below, Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And just like that, we'll catch you guys in the next one.